This is the basics of how to make manufactured stone. I know it's dark in here. On the bottom here, I've got my dyes. These are just fine powder oxide pigments. In these buckets, I've got dyes that are mixed with silica sand and Portland cement. This is for the body of the stone throughout. This is for the face colorings of the stone. I got a big variety of different colors. Got my molds all stacked up in trays because I have limited space. You can see they're just big rubber molds. That's what I'm going to be making now. That's the pumice she's playing in. Okay, for 100 square feet, I have got 16 5-gallon buckets of pumice. Got 4 bags of 92-pound bags of Portland cement. I'm going to mix them in this mixer. This mixer will make exactly 100 square feet of stone. And I'm going to add some air entrainment and water reducing chemicals in there as well. And I'll start by mixing the mix right now.